Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G7 Power and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first you have to click on the camera button here, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's move to the more advanced settings. We can do it by tapping on this button at the right corner, and as you can see we are in the camera settings. From here we have to slide down to the capture settings, and in the last position here we have the camera watermark, so by tapping on this we get access to it. And here we have the button where we can turn it on and off like that. So this is how it works. We have also the preview here, so we can see how this looks like. So a shot on Moto G7 Power. So for now I'm going to keep turning it on to show you how it looks like on the real picture. And let's go back to the camera view and take a picture. Now we go to the preview here. And as you can see here in the left corner we have the watermark shot on Moto G7 Power. So this is how it works. And of course when we want to turn it off, we go back to this right corner settings, slide down, tap on the watermark and tap on this to turn it off like that. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.